Leave my
father! I will not leave you! Nelson, shame on you! Shame on you, Nelson!
I am disappointed!
Shame on you! Shame on you, Nelson! Shame on you!
Belema, just leave me alone!
I will not leave you! Shame on you, Nelson!
Leave me alone!
If I don't leave you, what will you do? What will happen?
Belema, leave me alone!
Shame on you! Shame on you!
It's just because you cannot be trusted. That is why you can't trust me.
Hey! Me? Belema, trust you. And I must be afraid to trust you.
Just leave me alone.
It is you that can never be trusted. Jumping from one skirt to another. From the north, south, east, and west. Shame on you, Nelson!
Me?
Get up and do your duty as a man. Shame on you, Nelson!
That you say that
I
cannot perform my duty as a man because I paid your bride price.
Oh! Hey!
I paid your bride price!
Is that?
Who was after you?
Who were you after me? Eh? Now, Oga Madam, you don't start their fight again.
Oga Madam?
Yes.
But wait, I thought when a man goes to marry a woman, what he's supposed to pay is the bride price and not problem price. Did Oga go there and leave bride price and pay problem price?
Okoro, this is what you ask now. Why you ask me? Now who woman I transfer this question go give?
This is too much. Oga and Madam is supposed to stop this fight. Every time fight. See, see, this plan that I have now to come and marry you, let me not come and marry you and you'll be fighting me like Madam used to fight Oga.
We're all different now. Love me, I love you.
You love me? Didn't Madam love Oga before Oga married her?
You didn't.
Okay, which man will marry a woman that does not love him? She must have told Oga.
Just Yana.
Madam told Oga, I love you. That was why Oga went and paid her bride price.
You can show you see our own difference. I love you. Hey,
give me 999. Jehovah. What's up? Jehovah, are you on WhatsApp?
Yes.
Jehovah, are you there? Let's chat. I'm here. Open door. This is sweet. This is hi. This is very sweet. Oh! Where are you?
Ateya.
Oh, you did it.
This
is fantastic. If this is how it will be, let Oga and Madam continue quarreling. I'm telling you. This is very sweet.
Talk now.
Peace? Your urine tastes like you have malaria. Your piece is tasting malaria. That is what it is. This is very dangerous. It is killer-shot. It can kill. Do you have malaria? Mix it with fufu. That is a bad combination. Urine, malaria and fufu mixed together is a missile. Supposed to kill your lodge. That's kill you. It's alright. That means anytime Oga and Madam are quarreling, This is how it will continue to be. Yeah. You want to go inside it? This is fantastic. Just problem between Oga and Madam. And I do this. This is very sweet. Put it up! Oh! Get this side. Oh! Welcome, sir. Welcome, sir. Good afternoon, sir. Welcome. Good afternoon. Welcome. How's your wife? So long to open the gate. Sorry, ma'am. Sorry, how's your boyfriend? How's everybody? Okay, how's your girlfriend? I hope she's fine. Thank you. Hopefully.
Mr. Husband, I know where you're heading out. The next thing you do is to tell me. The Bible said this, the Bible said that.
Again.
Don't forget, that same Bible said that any man that is unable to take care of his family is worse than an infidel.
I can take care of my family.
Look at you. Look at this small pimpy. Put your age, both of you together. Your age, I'm even older than you people. I greeted you. You are doing Nyanga. You are doing Oponga to greet me. By right, am I supposed to greet you? I'm not supposed to greet you. You are the person who is supposed to greet me because I'm older than you. Look at, like parents, like children. I was even asking the other one, how is your girlfriend? He was doing Nyanga. Okay, I made a mistake. The other girl, that girl she's so much corrupt that she no longer deal with boys now, but men. I would have asked you, how is your sugar daddy? How is your Mancy's friend? Mancy's, you don't have more than, she has more than one man. Manners. That's Mancy's. Plenty men. Plenty men shall fall that day if you come my way. Plenty men shall fall that day if you come my side. Plenty men.
You can't say that I cannot take care of my family because I paid your brother. See, Belema, your parents must hear this. I must take this to your parents.
You
Oh, come on, baby.
Welcome, my children. Thank you, my son. How are you, darling? Good to see you.
Come on. That's my
Look at you.
baby girl.
Good to see you, darling.
But, Mom, how can you say nothing? We heard your voices.
Oh, we are just playing. You know, it's good sometimes for mom and dad to play together.
Exactly.
She's so beautiful and always as beautiful as ever. With this appointed.
Dad, you always beautiful.
Thank you, my husband. Thank you.
Mom, I have to go inside now. I have something important to do.
It's okay, son.
Me too, Mom. But, Mom, hope there's something in the house because I'm finished.
There should be something in the house.
Okay, I'll just...
It's okay. Where is that stupid girl?
Madam!
Come here. Oh, yeah. Take her back to the room and prepare lunch immediately.
Okay, Madam.
Yes. This way. Hurry.
If not to fight, I go fight. To make things right, if not to cry, I go cry. To appeal to your heart, I will do anything for love. Oh. I know send if you go comes to my head. Oh. If I go give up all I can to make it things right, I'll do the things I can to set things right. If I go give up all I can to make it things right. I do the things I can to set it things right. Oh, I go do. Child. Oh, I go do. Child. If not to fight, I go fight.
Ellen. Make sure you hurry up with it.
Thank you so much, madam. Welcome.
Thank you very much.
I know send if you go come to my head. Oh. If I go give up all I can to make it things right, I'll do the things I can to set things right. If I go give up all I can to make it things right, I'll do the things I can to set it things right. Oh, I go do. Child. Oh. I go do. Child.
Ah!
You don't know say they disturb the whole compound with this your song.
No, this is the spirit of Ogene dance. When you are in the spirit of Ogene dance, you are carried away.
What's your Ogene? The dance self, you know sabi dance. Eh?
I know sabi dance.
Yes, you know sabi.
Me, I don't know how to dance.
No sabi.
This person here, standing before you, I am a very good dancer. I have danced in my village where I came from. I dance. I have so many dance steps. It was because of my dance steps that my villagers gathered. In fact, Igwe himself, not his cabinet, Igwe by himself, alone, called me and said, Okoro, come. I came, I thought Igwe wanted to send me on errand. Igwe said, sit down. I sat down. Igwe said, I'm giving you an award. I said, Igwe, for what? Igwe said, I'm giving you an award because you are the best dancer. Igwe gave me an award as the best dancer in Umunede. So don't come and say I don't know how to dance. I can dance very well. Look.
This is your dance. Now you use win award for Umunede. Hey, say about same work. Make I tell you, Koro. It says I dey here. Me, if I dance for you, if I shake this my waist for you, you go enter inside. Now run, enter, bring all the money you get, come spray me.
I was waiting for you to say this one. Because Calabar girls, I don't even know. They cannot talk without shaking waist. If I was there when God was creating Calabar people, I would have said, God, remove their mouth and put it on their waist. Because let them be talking from their waist. Everything a Calabar girl do, waist. I know that Calabar girls are very good in everything. So in dancing, I'm not surprised.
Which side did they talk about?
Hey, you want me to say that? You want to hear it from me? That okra soup used to draw. Okay, you said you can dance very, very well.
Yes, now.
Okay, dance for me, let me see. Throw some steps, let me see.
After you don't yab me finish, make a dance for you. I know they dance.
You, every small thing, you be getting angry. Why? Is it this small thing that I said now that you're getting angry? You know how to every small thing, you be angry every small thing. You know what is going to happen now? Now that you are happy, now you've smiled. Can you dance for me now? Let me see.
Go inside. Then I will come out again when Oga and Madam don't come out. Now as I talk to you, then they chop for dining.
They chop?
Yes.
It's okay. By the way, what did you bring for me? What did you bring?
Now your food I bring.
Is that my food?
Yes, now.
So it is my food that you are carrying like aja. What they want to go and offer the gods. You're carrying my food like a 6 months, 2 months old baby coffin. That is what you're carrying and bring without respect. You don't bring my food with respect. Let me tell you, my mother said when my father got married to her newly, even till old, when she wants to serve my father food, she brings the food with respect. And when she comes to my father, she will kneel down and say, my father, my lord, this is your food. Don't you know that if you want to serve my food, if you come, you kneel down and say, Okoro, my lord, this is your food.
Okoro, make me, call you my lord.
Yes.
Okoro, Mbok, see your food. I want to enter inside. Go do something. You too talk.
Hey! Part of my body has been manipulated. This part has been manipulated. I will not have somebody again with this side. I'm using this side to come. This side is going to preach.
If not to fight, I go fight. To make things right, if not to cry, I go cry. To appeal to your heart, I will do anything for love. Oh. I know send if you go comes to my head. Oh. If I go give up all I can to make things right.
So, Stacy, what about your sister? Have you been hearing from her?
Yes, Dad. We spoke today before coming, and she said she'll be coming in.
That's not.
Calvin, I hope your brother Godwin is still coming in tomorrow.
Yes, Mom. We'll be here first thing tomorrow morning.
Good.
Let's have these children in one school, so they won't have divided attention. You say no, but you prefer them in separate school. Why not go and bring them back yourself?
I can't remember calling your name in what I just asked.
Then leave my children alone. Stop asking silly questions so that they can maintain table manner and enjoy their meal.
It's okay, Mom. It's okay, Dad. Let's just eat our meal in peace. No time. Please. Sorry.
I'm sorry.
Sorry, Dad. Sorry. It's okay.
Sorry, Dad. Can I please show some water?
No! Leave him. Let him choke and die. Yes, ma'am. Mom! Don't mom me. Don't!
If not to fight, I go fight.
That's sorry.
If not to cry, I go cry. Drop you into your heart. I will do anything for love. I know send if you go comes to my head. If I go give up all I can to make it things right, I'll do the things I can to set things right.
Ima. You like my food?
Ha! Like an understatement. I love it. Honestly speaking.
I like saying, you like my food. I happy again say you like my food.
Do you know, in fact, now I know that Calabar people, they are too much. And I've been dreaming to marry Calabar girl. I am very, very sure that my mother is going to be very happy if I tell her that I want to marry a Calabar girl. Honestly.
But see, can't they inside Calabar girl when they for other girls?
Calabar girls. Calabar girls. See, let me tell you, Calabar girls, they are very, very good. That side, though. That side.
Which side?
You want to hear? You want me to say it? Okay, Calabar girls, they are very, very good at.
Oh, Goro. Wait, Cindy. Who can tell you now? Say your village girls must have been like Calabar girls.
Hi, see that I don't, see I have friends, so I have friends that does it very, very well. Those friends, they used to tell me the difference between this one and this. See, let me tell you, Amen. This man that you see here, I have a bright future. I have a bright future. I have connections, plenty connections. So, as I'm talking to you now, I'm the next president of this country.
President?
Yes, now. The next president of this country is me.
Ima, make I enter inside. I want to stay here. Before madam go bring you down, go look me. Before you know, you call the jealousy.
You want to go?
Make I.
You want to go?
Yes.
I hug me for you. Give me.
You too like this thing.
Nice. It's nice. Yeah, give it to me. Yeah. Eh? Oh yeah, go. Oh yeah, go. Yeah. Oh yeah, go. Yeah. Oh yeah, go. Yeah.
No, do. I bet we might give you it and I won't give you. That one, nah, Chara.
Jara. If this one is the Jara, the main goose is how much?
If I go give up all I can to make it things right, I do the things I can to set it things right. Oh, I go do. Oh.
Mom, why do you hate that so much that you even wish him dead? Mom, I'm talking to you.
Go and ask your father that stupid question and not me.
Mom?
Get out of this room. Get out! Nonsense.
Hey, small Oga. This one that you came to sit with me. I hope there is no problem.
Yeah, all is well, Okoro. Just that I wanted to know about everything that happened to me to my parents since we are around.
If not for one thing, I would have said you are rapping. Because the way you are talking it, you know, I wasn't hearing you. Your volume was very, very down. You know, the way it was sounding in my ear, it was sounding like when you're using cotton bud to clean your ear.
Okoro. Okay. Okoro. I want you to tell me everything that has been happening in our house since we were away. Like, I don't understand my parents again. I don't understand. I really don't understand what's happening inside our house. So, can you just tell me what you know?
It's a very big case. So, honestly speaking, it's a case that I don't know how to define it. Do you know that the problem between Oga and Madam, you can liken it to that of Iraq and Iran?
Jesus,
I am telling you, everyday fighting, everyday quarrel. Do you know that the other day, Oga almost blind Madam's eyes? I am telling you, I was here listening to BBC. The next thing I heard was an echo. I am. It's not you. Relax. It was Oga and Madam. I am. My eye. I ran there. Madam almost was blinded. Honestly speaking, if not for God's intervention, Madam would have been blind. One eye blind woman now.
God forbid.
Honestly.
Okoro. Hope all these things you are telling me, you are not joking.
Am I stupid? Am I stupid? How can I joke? If you think I am joking, call MM and ask her. She will tell you. I'm not joking. You understand?
Alright, now I'll see you later.
Small Oga. Since you came back, I have been expecting my bread and akra. I have not seen one. I was thinking maybe you put it in the fridge to frigerize it, you know. So when it is cold, you bring it for me to eat.
Buy yourself something with this.
Small Oga. Small Oga. I asked for bread and akra. He gave me 500. By the time I asked for fufu and ofe egusi, he might give me 2,000. That's nice. Thank you very much. At least I will use this when I buy bread. 25 naira. No, bread 65 naira. And then I buy akra 30 naira with all those sand of akra. Aja akra. All those sand. They'll pack it and food. Those ones can sweet. If you mix it with bread, those sand akra, those akra sand, if you pack it like this, open bread and put it inside and cover it, it's shawarma. You have created a shawarma for yourself, honestly speaking. Thank you very much, Mologa. God bless you. Let me go back to my tune. As I want grace I go chop bread and akra like as I want.
Stop! Stop! Stop, Nelson, stop!
I am your husband for crying out loud.
And so what? Are you the first husband?
Is this all you have to say to me?
See, Nelson, you better go get a good paid job so you can take your mind off this sex. I work very hard for my money. As you can see, I'm very tired. Please, I want to sleep.
Oh, because you earn more than I do, you now have the gut to talk to me like that. I am your husband, Bellman.
Husband, my foot.
Belema, I paid your bride price. You have no right to deprive me of sex. Come here. You can't deprive me of...
You can take the room for all I care. Useless man. Sex.
Wake up, Mommy's here.
Mom, why are you not sleeping?
Your father doesn't want me to sleep.
What do you mean by that, Mom?
Let me just sleep here tonight. Tomorrow I will explain everything that happened.
Okay, Mom.
Darling, how was your night?
My night was fine. At least I slept well without having anybody disturb me.
It's okay. I am getting set for work and I'll see you when I get back, eh?
Okay. You drop money for food today?
Money for food?
Money for food, of course.
Sweetheart, I thought we've settled this issue long ago. You earn more than I do. My salary is peanut to compare to yours. As you can see, I don't even have money to fix my car that has been parked in the compound for a very long time now. Why don't you try to take care of these basic things now, please?
Nelson, you lie. You lie. What do you take me for? So I don't have any other thing I do with my money than to lavish it on you. Useless man. Anyway, I don't have your time now. Let me go and ease myself first. Where is that stupid man? Nelson! 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 Do not open that door. Don't open that door because you're going nowhere. Unless you give me the money.
Emma, please, lower your voice before the kids say you.
As if I care. See. Give me the money for food, else you're going nowhere.
Donka.
Okoro, fire.
Eh?
Fire. My head they pain me. Fire, no.
Oh, fire. Wait, let me go and get a extinguisher. These people, I think they have a extinguisher. Let me bring a extinguisher for them.
Okoro, I mean say, Oga and Madam they quarrel.
Let me tell you. You understand? All these things Oga and Madam are doing is not my business. I don't have any concern over their all these things that they're doing is not my concern at all. So don't talk to me about Oga and Madam's case anymore.
Bring your voice down.
Don't tell me to lower my voice. Is it not this thing? Let me tell you.
What do you mean by you no concern you? Eh? You Oga and your Madam they quarrel. You say you no concern you. What's your problem?
How is it my concern? Okay, what do you want me to do? Let me tell you. Even if Oga and Madam like, let them kill themselves. In fact, let them bring down this house. I am not going to put my mouth there. You understand? Let me tell you, as I speak to you, I'm very hungry. Go inside and give me food. Let me eat.
See your life.
No, I don't see her.
Kuru, you see your life.
I don't see my life. Like say I see my life. Eh? I'm frustrated. My life is very bendy. I don't know. My mates are going forward. I'm going the other side. If I had seen my life, I would have straightened my life.
Now only food you sabi chop for this house. Your Oga and your Madam they quarrel, they fight, they scatter everywhere. You don't fit think of a thing to do, and your belly concern you.
See the way you just said you're the only food I sabi for this house. Was I not eating before I came to this house?
You dey chop.
Where I was before, was I not eating? I was eating there before I came to this place. Did I start eating from this place? Eno. I asked you to give me my food. You're telling me eno. What is eno? Eh? What is eno? Eno is ano. You're speaking Igbo. Let me tell you. You see all this Njanja Calabar that used to speak to me. Anytime I ask you for food, you throw in one Calabar language that I don't know the meaning. Eh? You will stop it too. Which one is give me food or something in non? Yeah? In non? Go and give me my food though. Amen. Now you interrupted my sweet melodious song from This is Oriental Brothers. Oriental. Oriental, what happened? Let me go.
If you don't shut that bit you call your mouth, I will shut it off for you permanently. Nonsense.
Please let me go to
I
work.
will not let you go.
Now you are going nowhere. You're not leaving this house if you don't bring that money. You have to bring money for food. It is your duty as the man of the house. Bring the money, oh. Bring it.
Yes, Dad. You must bring money for food.
I
will not leave you.
Leave my
I will not leave you.
What's going on here? Mom?
Please, Kevin, come and rescue me from your mother. Your mother and her children don't want me to go to work.
Mom, what is it again?
Ask your father.
Dad, please, can you tell me what's happening?
She asked me to give her money for food, which I told her that I don't have for today. I mean, I've been giving her money on monthly basis for food, just because I don't have money today, and she don't want me to go to work.
Mom, is that all?
Chief Justice of the Federation. Yes, that is all.
Mom, for crying out loud, you have money. You can cater for this family for a long period of time. I don't understand why you keep bringing up these issues. Just for today, please help him out. Just for today, he has to go to work. Please, Mom.
So because I earn more than him, I should start lavishing my money on him. So you are indirectly telling me to start performing his duty as the head of the house, right? Thank you.
Get me. We are just asking just for today, please. Just help us for today.
Kelvin! Stay out of this.
Now let me warn you. I am the first son of this house. And I want you to stay out of this. If father does not want to bring money for food, he's going nowhere. He has to bring money for food today. In fact, let him fight. Let him fight.
Godwin.
Yes.
Even you, my first son?
Yes.
I am disappointed in you.
Kill yourself. Do no such thing. Mom, let him go. Let him go. David! No! Can't you understand?
Kelvin, for this thing you just did, no food for you in this house. You will starve till death. I promise you.
Exactly. Get out of my room! Get out of my room! Exactly.
Kevin, why are you always supporting that instead of mom? Why?
Please, you guys should understand. I'm not supporting anybody here. I'm just trying to say that mom earns more than that, and she's able to do just for today. Why do we allow them bring up these issues every time? Enough! Calvin, enough!
Ella, stop wasting your saliva on this useless boy. Mother has said it all. He's going to starve to death. No food for you in this house today. Idiot. My friend, leave my room.
By the way, where is that stupid dirty housemaid? Amen! Amen! Amen!
Come in, the door is open. Madam, you call me?
Yes.
Here. go to the market and buy food stuff for the house. Make sure you return on time. Prepare good food for my children to eat now that they're on holiday.
Okay, madam.
MM. Yes, madam. Don't give my second son Kelvin food. Let him starve. Have I made myself clear?
Sorry. Oh, madam, you...
No, but do exactly as I've just said.
Okay, ma.
Hurry up.
Amen.
Small Oga.
Where are you going?
Madam, semi-market.
It's alright. Go and come back on time, okay?
Better don't go there and start playing.
Can you both stop this interrogation and allow this humble and loyal girl go to the market in peace?
I can't remember asking for your opinion. You Chief Justice of the Federation. Nonsense.
Amen.
Small Oga.
Go to where you're going.
Thank you, Small Oga. God bless you.
Better take your time. Take your time.
Mom!
Yes, darling.
Mom, where are you going to?
My attention is really at the embassy. Okay. But not to worry. I'll be back in a short while, okay?
Okay, Mom.
Mom, please buy something when you're coming back.
Call your father to buy something for you when he's returning. Since you and your brother Kelvin are always supporting him on every issue.
Mom.
Shut up.
Mother, please come back on time, okay?
I will, son.
Mom, bye. Bye, Mom.
Bye.
Okoro! Okoro! Open the gate.
Gate man don't fall in love with the house girl, oh. She don't follow me in my oh. He the sweet time like say he don't hide, oh. Corey love, oh. Gate man don't fall in love with the house girl, oh. She don't follow me in my oh. He the sweet time like say he don't hide, oh. Trouble when he dey sleep, oh. When he dey chop, oh. When he dey walk, oh. Go put you for trouble when he dey eat, oh. When he dey sleep, oh. When he dey walk, oh. Go put you for trouble when he dey sleep, oh. When he dey chop, oh. When he dey walk, oh. Go put you for trouble. Gate man don't fall in love with the house girl, oh. She don't follow me in mind, oh. He the sweet time like say he don't hide, oh. Corey love, oh. Gate man don't fall in love with the house girl, oh. She don't follow me in mind, oh. He the sweet time like say he don't hide.
safety of all. Oh, I know enemy in all the day of all. Idara, oh, kiss it me. Idara, Idara, Jesus. Oh, kiss me. Idara, oh, kiss me. Idara, oh, kiss me. Idara, Jesus. Oh, kiss me. Enyen Aaron, Abasiye mi emende, mi yokon ereri botefe. Enyen Aaron, Abasiye mi emende, mi yokon ereri botefe. Tuwa ibo, Amen. What is wrong with you?
Small madam, I don't understand.
How will you understand? You blockhead. Will you stop singing and concentrate on what you're cooking before you add too much pepper or salt on it?
Sigh. Small madam. That one will happen. Not be today. You don't see. And then when you see him, I'll be professional cook.
Professional cook my ass.
Everybody from this house, but just the words. Eh? They go to bang at the lights neck every time. They pull on the words. What's it happen? Eh? Amen. Very soon, nobody could begin preparing you. Then I pull on the words. I won't like her. See somebody's my mom, they say that she don't spoil.
Enyen Aaron, Abasiye mi emende, mi yokon ereri botefe. Enyen Aaron, Abasiye mi emende.
Very delicious.
Very nice food.
Delicious.
Yeah.
It's very low. Amen. Do you know you scared me?
So, I get surprised for you.
Surprise?
Yes.
Okay. What's the surprise?
Tell me what's in the carry for mind.
Apart from your intestine, your spinal cord, your hormones, hemoglobin, where they for your heart. Again, I don't know. Now I know where you carry for mind. You know that I'm not good at guessing. I cannot guess what is in your mind.
Try now.
Okay, I should try. Okay, let me guess. Okay, you've come to gossip about Oga and Madam. Oga and Madam, which of them have killed each other? Is it Oga or Madam?
God, I don't come here, come gossip. No?
You came here to...
I am free.
Size. This is so nice of you. Amen. You bought me boxers.
You know like that?
Says who? I don't like it. I love it. Honestly speaking, I so much love it. This is surprising. How did you know I needed a boxer?
I don't know. I just entered market, see entered my eyelids. Cha, I can't think. Go see my imam.
Imam.
No, imam means my love.
Okay. Imam.
Imam.
It sounds like imam.
My okoro go like him, so I come buy him for you.
It's alright.
What's it?
I'm trying to know the fitting for my ragolis. For my ragolis, let me know if my ragolis will have enough balance. If my ragolis will have enough balance. It's fantastic. I love it. Amen. Will you permit me to do one thing? Let me just beg you for one thing. Will you permit me to kiss you? That kind of kiss that we usually kiss. That one that always make our body chiki 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 chiki. Should I give you? Are you shy?
Small.
You're small shy. Don't be shy. Why shall you shy?
I happy say you like him.
It's okay. I wanted to go inside to go and test it. You know, while you confirm it. Okay, later.
Ma go back here. Let me see.
So food is ready and none of you are coming. Why didn't you even serve my own food?
Mother said you're not going to eat for supporting that earlier.
Godwin, do you realize what you're saying?
Sure, Mama. No food for you, man.
He's right. You better abide to that instruction until mother brings home.
You guys are not serious.
I thought you said they are eating.
Yes, so they chop before I come up for them.
So what are they calling you for again?
I won't take no. I better make I go check. You know, see my name be sweet for their mouth. And now the small worker they come here.
You're a very sweet girl. You used to know what I have in mind. Not on that fire. Thank you very much. Hey! Hi! This can happen. Even though you bought me boxers, you did well. When you made me that what to wear. I heard one day they're trying to talk about Buhari. And these people that if you tell them to rewind with this thing now, they will tell you it is until 9 o'clock moves. That is when they will repeat it. They will no longer rewind it again. Or they'll rewind it and hear what Buhari said. They'll rewind it and hear what Buhari said. Buhari, wait. Let me go and test my boxers and I'll call you. Yeah? Buhari? I'll call you. Let me test my boxers.
I don't know what came over me. I allowed pride to overshadow me. I never knew that by being promoted in the office would push me this far.